Not sure if you regard screensavers as a particular way of theming, but I'm gonna include it in the article of theming as well. And that's the screensaver. So let's see, have a look what we still have. So in here, these things, we've all seen them more or less, right? We're just looking at all these icons with the eyes how to theme our LXQt. So there's a lot more. With a Super X, our keyboard shortcuts do work. You can have a lock screen. And then as a first test, I don't think we have xscreensaver anywhere but this one. There is this xscreensaver working, and actually quite fitting thing here. So this is me telling to you guys, ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux, it's all about Lego boxes and Lego pieces and building it up. So the green plate is Arch, and with that we take packages from ArcoLinux, packages from ArcoLinux, and then build it up, and then we get this distro. Simple as that. So that's that particular application, right? And you can set it, of course, and screensaver is here. And well, let's have a look some more. So this gives a lot of stuff to choose from, and from time to time they are really, really nice, and others are just blah, you know. So let's quickly, for the fun of it, go over some things. Anemone, maybe you're sold when you see this, maybe not. Personally, I don't need all this well, movement and chaos on my screen. This is probably the one I discovered when I came back from dinner. I saw all these sharks on my screen. I thought, oh, what the hell. So I rather like it black, and that's it. But you can go really sick when watching this guy. Barcode, binary ring, blaster, bling box. So that's your xscreensaver for you. Do I need to go over all of them? Maybe you're already sold. Bouncing cow, boxed. The physics that go with it to program that. Nice, nice, nice. It's not activated braid, I see. BSOD, yeah. If you don't know what that is, blue screen of death. It's actually an exam question. The youth does not know anymore what it is. This is not possible. Take a look at the lines, it's not real. Carousel, C-curve. Can I stop here, guys? Right, I can, right? So that's xscreensaver for you. Zoom, last one. All right. So that's a possibility too. Don't like it, hate it, you know what to do. Sudo pacman -remove x something, right? This is all the x's. Don't start deleting all the x's because I see xorg stuff in there, but in there is as well screensaver. Out he goes. Let's see if he's taking something with him. No. So what you can do as well is say rs and see what that brings. So we can delete those packages as well, and they came in as dependencies for the xscreensaver. Okay, I'm gonna keep them around. All right, screensaver.